Casting is one of the oldest and most versatile methods of metalworking. It's a process that shapes metal into complex forms, enabling innovations in industries ranging from automotive to aerospace. Today we'll dive into some key casting methods, including sand casting, lost foam, lost wax, permanent mold, and die casting. We'll also explore how recent technological advances are transforming this age-old craft. Let's start with sand casting, one of the most widely used methods. It involves creating a mold using sand mixed with a binder to hold its shape. The molten metal is poured into the mold cavity, and after cooling, the sand is broken away to reveal the cast part. Sand casting is highly versatile, allowing for the production of both small, intricate parts and large-scale industrial components. Recent advances include improved sand formulations for better mold strength and accuracy, as well as 3D printing technology for creating complex sand molds directly from CAD models. Next, we have lost foam casting, a process where a foam pattern is used to create the mold. When molten metal is poured, the foam vaporizes, leaving the cast part behind. This method is particularly useful for creating complex shapes with minimal machining required. Advances in foam pattern manufacturing and coatings have improved surface finishes and dimensional accuracy. Lost wax casting, also known as investment casting, uses a wax pattern coated in ceramic to form the mold. Once the wax is melted away, the ceramic mold is filled with metal. This process excels in producing intricate designs with fine details. Today, 3D printing of wax and resin patterns is revolutionizing the field, enabling faster production of complex parts with higher precision. Permanent mold casting uses reusable metal molds, offering higher production rates and excellent surface finishes. The molds are preheated and molten metal is poured in or injected under pressure. Recent innovations include advanced coatings for molds, extending their lifespan and improving heat resistance, as well as automation for enhanced consistency and efficiency. Die casting is a high-pressure process where molten metal is injected into steel molds. This method is ideal for mass production of precise components, often seen in the automotive and electronics industries. Technological advancements in die casting include vacuum-assisted processes for reduced porosity and the use of AI to optimize machine settings, ensuring consistent quality. Casting continues to evolve, blending tradition with innovation. From 3D printing molds to AI-driven optimization, the future of casting promises greater efficiency, sustainability, and precision. Which method intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into engineering and manufacturing. Subscribe for more engineering content.